The new sticker of Now You on Instagram, a new sticker with which the social network seeks bigger interaction between your stories and other people's ones. Basically, what you will do is to propose a topic in an Instagram story and allow others to respond. Start the conventional process of creating a new story, clicking on the button to create a new publication, and choosing that you want to create a story. Here, you don't have to do anything different than usual, and you can do it both from the main screen from your profile. Now, just take the photo or record the video you want for the story. When you choose or create the photo or video that you want to use as a story, now you have to click on the button to add stickers, which appears with the icon of a smiling sticker at the top of the screen. This will open the stickers menu, where you will be able to see all the stickers that you have available to add to your story. Here, click on the sticker called Now You, and what you will see with a camera icon. It's similar to place and mention stickers, and you should see it near them. The sticker will appear on the screen. Here, all you have to do is set it by writing a topic proposal so other users can respond to it with their own stories. When you write the topic, click on Done at the top right. And if you can't think of anything, you have a dice icon at the bottom for Instagram to propose random topics. Once you finish setting up the sticker, it will be added to your story still on the edit screen. There, as with the rest of the stickers, you will be able to change its position and size to your liking. And you can even add other stickers or components to the story. Once you have it, publish the story with a sticker to start the game. Now, when someone clicks on the sticker that you have published next to the story, a screen will open in which you can see all the users who have added their responses in the form of stories, and you can click on them to see what they have published.